Barbecue chicken. One of those recipes I constantly come back to. And it's all about the fact that you can just marinate it with such delicious flavors. And in this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite marinades to make with a spicy hot sauce. Guys, it's delicious. It's delectable. And by marinating it like this, oh man, you're going to reduce that intensity of the heat from the hot sauce, but it's still going to be magnificently delicious. But you guys know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossy, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. And like I said, this recipe all revolves around Spicy Boy's OG hot sauce. I'm throwing like half the bottle at least into this bowl. Then I'm going to give it like 2 tablespoons of both honey and olive oil. Going to go in with a little bit of Dijon mustard, like 1 tablespoon, some smoked paprika, some ground black pepper, a splash of Worcestershire sauce, and then you know what's up. We're going to wang jangle it all together. Get it nice and runny, then take your chicken and put it right in there. Like I said, we're wang jangling this chicken, getting that sauce fully coating every nook and cranny. Very, very important here. Next, cover it with either some saran wrap, some tinfoil, whatever, and we're going to throw it in the fridge for at least an hour, up to, about 8 to 12 hours overnight if you really want to. Wipe off some of that, marinade that we've had it sitting in and grab your favorite barbecue seasoning. I'm using Sassy chicken by the Royal Nova Company because it goes beautifully on chicken. Make sure you grab those armpits as well, just underneath the wing. I have my meat thermometer by Napoleon thrown into this piece of chicken, and each of these chicken halves is out on my Napoleon charcoal grill. Now, I'm using Jealous Devil charcoal today. Those big briquettes are great for generating heat, and I'm making sure to put this chicken on indirect heat the entire time. Now, I have a cast iron grill grate, so that will allow me to get just a little bit of char on the bottom. I like that, but you don't need it. For this recipe, we're not putting that skin over top of the coals. We're going low and slow. We're going to make this nice, juicy, tender, and delicious. This cook took me about 90 minutes, almost 100, like an hour and 40 minutes or so. And it's all about patience. I'm running my barbecue at 325 degrees, and I'm just monitoring it. And I'm just letting everything here tack on, get nice and sticky, but you want to make sure you're keeping it juicy, tender, and delicious. And as you can see here, I nailed it. I'm going to talk about it. I'm fine with it. I did a good job on this piece of chicken. I mean, we got some delicious char on the bottom. That skin has that seasoning and that hot sauce marinade perfectly tacked on there. Buddy, this was cooked beautifully, and the fragrance off of it is impeccable. The smells that are hitting my nose are a 10 out of 10. That hot sauce was an orange and ginger hot sauce, and that citrus profile paired beautifully with this yard bird. As you can see in here, I even got underneath the armpit seasoned properly, and that's all you need to know, is this was banging, bud. Absolutely scrumptious and delicious. Literally a 10 out of 10 in my opinion. And as you can see here, I'm just enjoying myself. We'll slice into this little piece of meat, and buddy, let me tell you. Now, if you don't know about slicing between chicken bones, you always want to kind of like pry and pull them apart and just get it right in between the joint. That makes it extremely simple for just removing that meat. And as you can see here, oh buddy, this little drumstick was banging. No lie, I loved this flavor profile. And as you can see there, talk about juicy, tender, and delicious. Literally magnificent in my opinion. And that's what it's all about. Delicious chicken cooked properly. I brought it up past 165, way higher to like 185, 190. But we kept it juicy. You can see right there, these are scrumptious. That delicious marinade helped keep this moist, but also added so many layers of flavor that were literally spectacular. You can see this chicken breast is cooked beautifully the whole way through. Man, oh man, talk about perfect. The chicken wing was nice, succulent, just bit it right off the bone. It's everything you want, bud. Delicious barbecue chicken, but you guys know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossy. I'm literally constantly out here having fun on my barbecues, posting these simple recipes you can follow too. This is an easy marinade that really brought my chicken from zero to hero, and I can't wait to enjoy this again. I mean, 10 out of 10, guys. I plated it up with a nice little cucumber salad and some simple toast. And man, oh man, this little meal was the perfect summertime dinner. Thanks so much for watching, guys. It always means so much. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're just at home, chilling, relaxing, maxing, watching some of my videos. Really means a lot. Make sure you like and subscribe. Take care. Stay safe.